I cannot believe we're already in April, but here's the seed list for things you can start in April. If you're new to this series, you don't know this yet, but the zone doesn't matter. What matters is actually your last frost date. So with that being said, anyone who grows or puts stuff outside from June 10th all the way to approximately the beginning of May, this video applies to you. April's an exciting time of year because we're starting to plant stuff outdoors while also planting indoors, and this counts for you in zone 3 as well. I know, shocking, right? But we'll go over what those are. So first off, let's talk about the ones you can actually grow outdoors. These include pak choy, bok choy, spinach, carrots, turnips, radishes, arugula, kale, and collard greens, in my opinion. You can also consider transplanting your onions outdoors, but keep in mind that these are frost tolerant in some cases, not all cases for these, but they do need cover. So a little disclaimer there. Once your soil temp gets up around 3 degrees Celsius, it's usually safe to actually plant these outside, and that is with row cover. So you want to keep that in mind. You need some sort of cover to be able to shield them from a heavy frost. But if you are able to get them outdoors, this means you're likely, even if you're in zone 3, going to get 1 or 2, maybe 3 crops off of these plants in that first 3 months of the growing season. So you'd be harvesting mid-May-ish for a lot of these plants. Next up is your brassica species. It's still not too late to start them. So that includes broccoli, cauliflower, cabbage, Brussels sprouts, you name it, can all be started here in April. The sooner the better, and of course, these can be planted outdoors and moved into a greenhouse even a little bit earlier here because they do enjoy slightly cooler ambient environments than that of tomatoes, peppers, etc. and so forth. So one of the first ones to even get in the garden, again, when it comes to transplanting, if we have row cover. Next up, we have our okra, eggplants, and tomatoes. So this is only for those varieties that are 60 days and less, or I guess, well, you could go 72. Let's go 72 days and less. Now you're getting a little bit late, and so these will be later harvest type plants, but they will work just fine. If you like kohlrabi or fennel, these are 2 that I have not grown, but can be started here in April. I don't even know, fennel apparently tastes like licorice. I'm not too sure. If you guys know what these taste like, please let people know in the comments because I can't say much about them, even in regards to how they perform for growing. Never grown them, never cooked with them, to be honest. So definitely something to think about there. And lastly, last up is the wonderful butter beans. So this is a Canadian company. I don't know Americans if you can get this, but this is the auto flowers and the photo periods that I use. So you can definitely grab these guys. They can be started now here indoors, and you had to start them indoors, unfortunately, if you're going to put them outdoors, but definitely something to consider. This one is a that's the lotion one. Whatever the stuff you make lotion from is 3-4 years now. Anyways, I really enjoy it. I really like this Butterbean brand too. Blah, blah, blah. Mouthful. Holy mackerels. Anyways, I'll talk to you guys next time. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye.